I gave you Perspeccy, a one-of-a-kind asset for 2D games that manipulates game objects to make them appear like they're somewhere between the second and third dimensions. Using it, you can effortlessly enhance your game's appearance, giving your objects depth in an otherwise flat world. It provides multiple functions to change the perspective on 2D objects. Whether your game is a side view, top-down, or a combination of both doesn't matter. The functionality can be easily manipulated to give you the effect you want from most perspectives. As of version 1.0, Perspeccy specifically supports top-down, but a major update is planned to be released, which will support side view games with a host of new features. Here's how you use it. Drag the Perspeccy prefab into your scene or place the Perspeccy script in an object of your choice. Then drag your camera object into the script's active camera slot if this has not already been filled out for you. You can change this on the fly from another script if you wish. With that done, you can now adjust the settings as you please. The default values should work very well out of the box, so grab your assets and deploy them on an object as shown in the documentation. All that matters is the order of the children. Once that's done, give the object a tag of your choice. Now, go back to the Perspeccy prefab and enable that tag for depth operations. You'll now be able to see your object being adjusted by Perspeccy. And that's it. It works extremely well with minimal drops below 60 FPS with 250 objects on screen running the most resource-intensive settings. My system has an AMD FX 4300 quad-core processor and a Radeon RX 460 graphics card, which I expect provides somewhat under-average performance, so you might get even better performance on your system and most likely on your players' systems as well. Thank you for checking out my introductory video for Perspeccy. If you would like to know more, check out my other guides and things in the Perspeccy series. Later!